share feedback and to put on the paper everything what was done in December, what was good, what was bad, and next year to be prepared to high season, we use that notes.
And then
it can be helpful spend long on research and preparation. Not too long. Like just plan and don't just concentrate on the market before you get the view. Nothing. Not too long. If you stuck in research stage, you could miss the right time to launch your product, or you can lose your focus for that project. New project can appear in your list, so you need really to stick in the deadline. And for preparation stage, it also have to be, the deadline has to be defined.
And D?
Create an accurate forecast outline the development. No, yes, of course. Define checkpoints for the project. No, yeah, yes.
Okay.
Nothing.
Let's start. Read and tell what has gone right and wrong for the project, suggest how the project could be managed better. Use these words and phrases.
Run out of money within budget, behind schedule, upfront planning, all the budget, meet the deadline, lack of planning, budget constraints. Я не знаю, what's that constraints?
Budget constraint means limited budget. You are shrinking the budget. It means step by step you are wasting and running out of budget, so it gives you a limited space in your project now. It means too fast run out, maybe we can say, or you mismanage your budget while planning your project, and then now your budget cannot meet the project speed. We can say.
Stay on track. Wow. Was that wall of control?
I think they wrote it wrong here. This is not something wall of control, but actually they want to say with wall of control is the sphere of the control.
Okay.
Do you know swear to God?
Yes.
It is sphere of control.
Okay, I don't know what's that, but okay. Accurate forecast, ahead of schedule, and a realistic budget, make the launch date. What should I do with that phrase?
So you see the project here. You need to talk about this project.
Increase plant space of factory by 25% and install new production train. Nice. Total cost. Actual cost. Target date for completion of project, date month. Actual date. Yes. So it means we ahead the schedule and project meeting not held on a regular basis. Communication often by email, not everyone copied in clean offset took place quickly and easily met deadline. Okay, production manager change specification of production trade software program had to be rewritten quickly. It's not possible. It's not possible to rewrite software quickly. Problems during construction, discovered length of view. Oh my God, within 2 meters short. It's everything about our engineering department.
And everything goes wrong, I guess, now.
It's everything like that. And I asked to build new glass wall in Astana. And last week I was there when I arrived in the store and I saw the wall. My first reaction was, why it's black? It's colored black. Why?
Who said
can
it?
tell me why it's black one? Who decided everything is white or light gray, close to white color? Why it's black? Engineer answer was yes, it's RAL. RAL is the name of the color, right? It's standard one. Number something, that's just figures behind. It's dark gray. Why? There is no answer. It's like here, 2 meters shorter than it's necessary. You need to explain that they will install power, connection, and schedule time, loss of several weeks of production, new equipment order to derive time, kept to budget for first 6 months, but there is president. And what I have to explain here.
Now you need to match them and you need to describe the problem.
Прям match them or just tell story?
It will be a
Match.
story, of course, but you need to tell me, for example, project meet is not held on regular basis. So what is the problem? And then discuss the situation and give me the solution.
Miscommunication. I need to read once again this word.
No, just you need to tell me what's going on here wrong. For example, I can say easily one, budget overrun.
Project meeting not held on regular basis, it's miscommunication.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's in the list. Miscommunication.
Miscommunication, it should be in the list, if I remember correctly.
Miss deadline I can find. Miscommunication I can't find there.
Interesting. Maybe VOV of control can be called like this. Maybe, or upfront planning.
Upfront planning. Lack of control? No, it's not lack of control.
If you don't have enough communication, it means lack of control as well.
No. Okay. Cleaning of site was quickly, so ahead of deadline here. I don't know if it's here or not. Upfront planning, okay. Upfront planning. What's wrong? I know what's wrong because my flight today was at 6 a.m. So I wake up 3:30 and I'm trying to keep my eyes open.
Okay, then upfront planning.
Upfront planning. Production manager change specification, blah blah blah. What's that? It's just stupid things and unrealistic target, but I don't know how to.
For example, in front of front planning by establishing clear communication strategy, including regular projects via the situation, regular project meetings to ensure everyone is informed, that you said communication, for example. Everyone is informed and the same page. They are doing same thing, understanding same thing.
And he or she, production manager, should not make that decision alone because he has to be in line with whole team and ask if it's possible to do that, to change that specification, or it's too late. It's not only communication, maybe it's
flexibility, in my opinion.
Flexibility. I tried to find a new expression, but okay, it didn't come to my mind, but okay. It's not his level of responsibility. How in different words?
It is not production manager's responsibility, you want to say?
Because it's not only his decision. Of course, he can
it's
change
a mutual decision.
Only if it's possible. But maybe it's too late.
It's a common or mutual decision, you can say.
Okay.
Or it's the deal. We can say it's the deal.
Okay. Problems during construction. What's that from that list? Blah blah blah. it's not accurate forecast. That, no. It's not about forecasting, it's about preparation, because it's very technical things, I think. It's about preparing the construction plan on the paper and very precise measurement before constructed started. If I understand correctly how normally company has to be prepared for construction, they have to have construction plan of the paper, and the company who is doing construction has to follow the construction plan very accurate, and all dimensions have to be on that plan. So it's, I don't know, it's not lack of preparation or control. It's something wrong with measurement and plan construction. So it's like you start to build something and finally understand that it's not fit. But it's really strange, but okay.
Okay, and the last one?
Not last one, it's
Protein.
mix late, not able to install power connections, so late is behind schedule. New equipment arrive on time is according to schedule. What I can up to upfront planning maybe, because then problem during construction is problem with upfront planning that match the most. All other equipment ordered arrive on time again according to planning maybe. Where is the money? Kept to budget that run out of money finally, yeah? And yeah, it's what budget was realistic probably, but it was an overspending, so run out of money or something like that. They exceed the budget finally.
So.
Okay.
Again, there is a long context. First of all, can you read this MMT Tech Service Providers text and listen to the podcast and tell me what's going on here?
Okay, read and listen after it.
Yeah.
Teach Tariff Project is a collaboration between MMT Tech, okay, service provider, and Vicon mobile phone manufacturer. Aim is to launch high-tech phone with new advanced features from Vicon and combination. Tariff, which includes free video phoning and multimedia messages services. Name of that device is iPhone, I believe. Sarah and Michael from CTEC and Ian from Anvicon are meeting to discuss the progress of the project.
So let's
Should I listen?
Yes.
Unit 3, Audio 9, Part 1. Okay, I sent you a proposed agenda yesterday. Have you had a chance to look at it?
Yes, it looks fine.
So, the purpose of today is to update each other on progress and consider anything that might affect our schedule.
Okay.
So, Michelle, why don't you start? How are things with the marketing department?
Up to now, the launch date has been set for the 15th of November to capture the Christmas trade. This means we must meet our deadlines.
Good point. So, how's the advertising campaign coming along?
That's fine. We've set a realistic schedule and planned in a bit of extra time in case the printing takes longer than expected.
Great. And how far are you with preparations for the launch party?
Our events manager says we're on track. He booked the venue 2 weeks ago, and I've already received offers from various catering companies. I haven't made a final choice yet, but most of them are well within our budget.
That sounds good, Michelle, thanks. So, how does your side of things look, Ian?
Well, actually things aren't running as smoothly as I'd hoped. We've hit a problem with the handset battery life.
Okay, so what do you mean exactly?
Well, in some cases the battery can run out in 6 hours if its key features are in permanent use.
So what you're saying is we're about to launch a new revolutionary low-cost mobile phone, and its battery only lasts 6 hours.
Well, obviously that's an extreme case, but the engineers have identified that there is a basic design problem with the battery.
So the real problem lies with the battery manufacturers.
Yes.
But Ian, what about our deadlines? Can this problem be resolved?
Well, our engineers are looking into it, and if it's fixable, they'll do it, but they'll need time. We may have to reschedule.
But we can't postpone the launch at this stage. There must be something you can do.
Are there any alternatives?
Well, I've got some suggestions, but you may not like them.
Ian, you've put us in a difficult position. Why don't we get another coffee and then we'll look at our options?
I like the solution. Let's take another coffee. It will help them.
So what's happening here?
It looks like a situation with iPhone. But last year they announced that IE will be installed in the new iPhone, but this year they keep silence about this because iPhone, I believe, not can do that.
Even they introduced a disaster. I can say terrible phone. What can I say? Even it's not working now with the new iPhone 23, 28, iOS 28. I think they introduced.
26, I think.
I don't know. I'm not good at it,
2020.
and it's not working now very well.
Really? I didn't install that.
Not
I
installed.
choose it.
Terrible.
iOS 18, not that. Okay, thank you for.
Really
thank
terrible.
You for okay.
So, and then what's this problem? What is their problem?
Their problem that their device is not working properly. Battery has limited capacity. That guy tried to persuade everybody that it's just several cases like that, extreme cases, but battery can work only 6 hours. And so they have to find the solution because it's like they close to deadline, then product should be launched on the market.
This is directly
Everything
iPhone.
ready from advertising campaign already ready. But
So-
product is not ready.
Absolutely. So, can you come to the next section? 1, 2. After agenda, you can see this section. Can you try to write, or can you tell me problems and situations?
My God, may have to reschedule problem. Okay. Advertising campaign. What advertising campaign? I know about lunch party. I don't know what to put here. Advertising campaign already planned. May have to reschedule. I think it was a question. Yes or no?
For example, advertising campaign has a realistic schedule and extra time has been planned, they said. So you need to write all of
It
them.
was about printing material, I believe. It was about printed materials. If it will be postponed, we have extra time. Lunch party. We knew already received the offer.
But I think you need to write the answers as well. You need to write the answers.
Yeah?
So if you
Just
want,
letter. Just
not
see.
letter.
date?
Yes, you can write a letter. It will be short for you.
Okay, advertising campaign. И... Okay, venue. See. Why? No?
Venue already booked 2 weeks ago.
Venue didn't make a final decision.
It is catering. C. Venue is D. You are writing catering. Catering
okay.
already received offers.
Okay. I forgot. Unweekend activities. Answer. I've got A.
No,
and B.
handset is not A.
And I just check which letter the problem with handset battery can route on the set. It's B, yeah? Is it B?
Yep, it's B.
And I've got only A here.
Yes. So listen to the part 2 of the meeting and answer the questions now. What fantasy they find to solve the problem, I guess?
To kill the
Audio 10. Part 2. The battery problem has to be resolved, otherwise the whole project is in trouble. That's how I see it.
Is that really the case? How about finding another battery supplier?
I don't think that would help us meet our current deadlines. We could keep the same battery, but not mention its lifespan.
That's possible, but our reputation is at stake here.
Yes, and if the project fails, we have no chance of becoming market leader.
Okay, why don't we wait and see what the technicians suggest? And in the meantime, move the launch date.
That's not an ideal solution. It means cancelling the printers, the caterers, the advertising.
Do we have any other options?
Well, using a different phone for the launch would be my proposal. We could use the VP20. It's new, cheap, but not as high-tech.
I'm not convinced. The whole idea of this project was to offer a high-tech phone and services at an attractive price.
Yes. If you ask me, we should look at what we can reschedule.
I suppose so.
So,
It looks like they close to agreement about reschedule.
reschedule or maybe
Should I
another one?
mention all proposals?
No, just talk about the general.
General, they discuss, like brainstorm different options to find a new supplier, not enough time for that. Not mention battery capacity. They decided that their reputation can be damaged on the market, so it's not a solution. Wait when problem will be solved, transfer from engineer and move lunchtime. They didn't like that also. To use different phone, which is cheaper and something else, but not high tech. They also didn't like that because they promised that a new phone will be high tech. And finally, they came back to solution about reschedule the launch. Despite all the situation,
Despite of the
they
situation.
were to miss, lost money for advertising campaign, or campaign.
Okay. So, key expression that we are using while talking or showing our expressions. So, if you want, I will give it as homework, so you can read separately, and then we can go discussion.
Okay.
It's directly a section that you need to read just.
Okay.
So, Sandra is discussing the progress of an HR project with Dimitri. Choose the best answer from 1 to 8 below to complete their conversation. This is up to you.
This is the felt how menu, that menu which you put the
You need to
button
choose
and
correct one, yes.
Huh?
You need to choose correct one.
I understand. I ask the word which express that type of menu when you push the button and can see the several options.
Multi-section, multi-choice, multiple choice.
Multi-section.
Multiple choice generally we say.
That might be the multiple choice. It's easier. Do we have precise definition? I can express in Russian, да, выпадающее меню, да, it's like fell down. The
Correct.
different option fell down, but they push.
Okay.
But in English, I don't know this word.
Correct the choose. Choose the correct option from the menu. We can say.
That I never understand.
There is no short option for it in English.
No?
No.
I will ask AI after. Okay. Okay, Dmitry, what is the current status of the staff satisfaction survey? Dmitry, well, on the whole, we are on track. We receive replies from questionnaires, but they haven't collected, I believe. This is a mistake. The answer yet. Do you know the regional HR conference date? What's already it's a problem. Had already been set for next month, don't you? Yes, but we have. Sure. If we have, I don't know. We have two, I think, but there is no two.
Maybe we need to find another one.
He known a problem, came to a problem. Logically, we have to hit a problem logically with IT. And yeah, we came to a problem. Help me, please.
You need to choose the correct option.
Yeah. Yes, but we have two and something, but there is no two here.
This is maybe not we have to. It is
What?
perfect tense. And so we don't need to
Okay.
say have to. Just we have plus perfect tense. That's all.
Nah, wrong. Ладно. We все. Да. I have hit a problem. With IT, they haven't set up a database for set of collapse. Collector probably they want to say here result. So the real problem. Блин, так нечестно. I don't like that. Что делать? Sit, space,
Stands
no?
with. Lies with and then stands with. Generally stands with we use or lies with. Both options can be okay. It's up to the
I
context.
stands with also red one.
No, both of them can be correct. Lies with or stands with. Both of them correct.
Yes. But they red, color it in red frame. So
Why it doesn't change?
I don't know.
No, it's wrong. Question is wrong.
Okay.
So the real problem lies with. You cannot say lies with because there is no verb in this sentence. There cannot be two nouns. So they, I think, missed lie with, lies with.
Okay. How about as much of the report as you can? Нет.
No. How about is always gerund?
Always what?
Gerund.
Say it again. Okay. What? But until we have result from survey. That is likely possible. What's possible? That's possible.
Mm-hmm.
But so what you are really database you can catch with. You are really saying yes.
Yes. So next one, can you match these sentences?
Oh my God. 18AH. How far are you? Oh my God. Has been booked? should scrap the idea nice smoothly as I hoped. With the new packaging, ideal solution, mean exactly 3 weeks ago, convinced. I'm choosing between A and E. An ideal solution of a new have
D
been
will
put.
be better, I guess, for it.
Which one?
I think D better.
D?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
How far are you with the new package? Okay, it's possible also. Things aren't running smoothly. Do we have somewhere smoothly? Yes, we've got C. Finalizing the draft. The draft of something should be on it.
Draft of something.
I can see of.
Instead of the of, maybe we have another version.
Which one?
Not just the draft is the noun. No need to say draft of something.
Yes. Okay.
So you need to
An
use
ideal
adverb.
solution.
3 weeks
Ideal
ago.
solution.
3 weeks ago, adverb.
Mm-hmm.
Just 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm good. So what do you mean exactly? The only one question here.
Mm-hmm.
If you ask an ideal solution, no? As you ask, we should scrap the idea. It can be all. It's also possible. Yeah? This one possible. Okay. I'm not. What do we have? What else do we have? A, B, C. Так, B, C, D, E, and A. Да? And так, E and I try to solve it mathematically to check what else do I have. A and
You left E, A, and H.
yes. I am not convinced. What? Just two words. That's not an ideal solution. Just A. Ta-da.
Nice. So is it clear now?
Ah,
Clear? Understood?
absolutely.
Okay. Come to the end.
Да? They are very effective. Super.
So. When you finish this part, let's come. Equipment delivery. What do you think about equipment delivery and supply chain management?
Equipment delivery and supply chain management.
Supply
My
chain
God.
management.
Yeah, I understand that. Equipment delivery. If it's organized correctly, normally, from my experience, it should be okay. But supply chain management, in my experience, is disaster.
What are the key concepts of supply chain management? Key elements.
I'm just thinking what should I tell about key elements. To be on time and full.
And
So it can be primary delivery, okay, and secondary delivery, last mile delivery. I mean, primary delivery from producer or supplier to middleman who distributed to the final customers. So primary delivery. Normally we measure see far I try to service. Just I know it's like 3 letters, but meaning of that, like if you order certain amount, supplier have to deliver full amount and on time, according to schedule. It's depends, and also it should be effective from truck utilization point of view and from the quality condition. It means that product which you have to keep in certain temperatures, temporal have to be organized during all roads. Yeah. Temperature control should be special device inside the truck which can exchange the information between truck and customer, probably, or producer. Traceability, yeah, full traceability for the product, and also quality control, meaning that which product can be delivered together. For example, you can deliver detergents together with meat or other food.
So just in time, just on time production, maybe we can say, or services. So I think we can come to the end. Do you have questions before finishing it? Do you have questions?